Hi, my name is Paul with MarineMax at beautiful Lake of the Ozarks, and I'd like to welcome you aboard the 2018 330 Outrage from Boston Whaler. This is a new size this year for the Outrage series, the trademark series, I think, of the Boston Whaler line, and they have, as usual, Whaler has really nailed it. From the keel up, a total redesign. It's something that you truly have to experience, get on to believe. You know, Whaler invented the center console back in the late 50s. The owner and his engineer out by themselves with the first one to see if it would work, and obviously it has really caught on. Very popular both offshore and inland. It's a boat that's unsinkable. Everybody knows about the Unsinkable legend, and Dick Fisher, the owner, cutting the boat in half and motoring around the bay with the boat cut in half. It is a boat for generations to generations. It just lasts forever. It's indestructible. Boston Whaler's mission is to build the safest, highest quality, most dependable boat in the world. That's quite a chore, quite a task, and they've handled it with ease. So come along with us, take a look around, and enjoy the ride. Here we are in the bow of the boat, obviously, where there's a lot of creature comforts that have been designed into this 330 Outrage. You can see the way the coaming cushion cuts back in to give more space for people sitting here and enjoying some snacks at the table, the teak table. The storage aboard this vessel is just massive. I mean, you could even get down there to get out of the weather if you wanted. Take anything along. Nice seating in the bow. The Boston Whaler is truly all about the ride, but it's also ergonomically laid out better than any boat I really have ever been on, whether you're talking about fishing offshore or entertaining people here at the lake. It's the best of both worlds. And if you ever went to sell a Whaler, the exit strategy on these boats, phenomenal. If you call somebody on the coast with a freshwater, sweetwater, low hour Boston Whaler, it's gone in a heartbeat. Again, the ergonomically designed, you see the way the hardtop is just integrally fit right into the helm. Again, I keep talking about the ride. It's something that you really have to experience. This hull design is second to none. You can run 35 miles an hour or more. It's a 50+ mile an hour boat fearlessly in whatever the chop is. It's designed to have the wave penetration, and it comes up and harnesses that energy and just sits back down like a marshmallow. If I beat on the hull, it's just solid core, again, filled with foam from stem to stern. Unsinkable, safest, best ride foot per foot. This 33 footer I'd put up against any other brand 38-footer on the market. Here we are at the helm station. Again, center console. It gives you great performance. It's a very nimble handling, sporty boat. It will turn on a dime. You've got your DTS digital throttle system here. Of course, the joystick that just makes docking a no-brainer for everybody. Takes all the anxiety out of docking in any situation, no matter the current or the wind or the chop. We have twin 350 Merc Verados on the back of here. Again, we're going to be able to run about 52 miles an hour and never pull back on the throttles. It's again a boat that'll take whatever chop you're on very, very comfortably. It's kind of like the lake doesn't dictate to you, or the Gulf, you dictate to it. Again, the ergonomics here are amazing. You've got, for example, footrests down low, footrests up high. The way the floor drops down to give you just that extra little height for those of us that are under 6 feet for your view. It really makes a tremendous difference. Again, that's just the little thought out details that Boston Whaler has always done so very, very well. Nobody has really duplicated what Boston Whaler does, including this storage area up here, which is designed at the right angle to perfectly serve as a rear view mirror for backing down, or if you're doing water sports, pulling a ski or anything of the like. It just works out perfect. The vent, for example, there's nice airflow, but it's always nice to have a nice big vent, but they have a concave contour to actually, you know, scoop the wind and bring it in to cool you down. They just give an incredible amount of thought. All the cleats, all the hinges are just commercial grade, tank grade, indestructible. Again, you've got the legend of the Whaler. This is a dive into our swimming door. It's got a nice ladder that pins in there, and it just also is great for pulling that big catch aboard. For those of you that want to take it with you to the ocean. Again, this is designed for entertaining as well as fishing. You can do anything on board here, including this optional summer kitchen, which comes fully equipped with a grill and sink and a Yeti cooler stows below. Here we are again at the helm, 3 people across, thigh-high bolsters for everyone, armrests in the center, armrests on each side, life jacket storage above. Again, my name is Paul Schifferdecker. I'm with MarineMax at Lake of the Ozarks. Love to have you come down, go for a ride. I think seeing is believing. We've got the best terms, great rates to make this all come true for you. Give us a call at 573-365-5382. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you on the water.